and wish you all the best. As usual, I'm always available for any questions, interactions this evening and ever. So let me thank our guests, Mr. Ashok Kumar ji and Mr. Didi, who are going to speak for some time for us. Actually, let me put it, this year, I thought the entertainment let me do it. It's unfortunate, day before yesterday, I made my right leg sprain. Otherwise, I was actually prepared for the Gangnam dance. So, it's unfortunate that you guys are... I did go to the doctor this morning and ask him, do I? He says, you want to sleep for next 6 months? Then do it. So, every year, the rookies of the organization have been conducting. This year, RK did not produce much of rookies. Sad. RK, bad luck. Where is he? Man, non-entertainment is to your credit. However, so my bad luck that every time we are asking the rookies, why not the seniors? That was my plan actually. I did go and attend a couple of sessions to learn, if not to the fullest. Sorry guys, but still, let's have a great evening. We have two great people speaking to us and let's take the learnings. We are already ahead of schedule, so instead of 15 minutes, I want to cut short to 5 minutes. Let's take it, go forward. Great evening ahead. Enjoy your time.
Good dance, your Gangnam style. I'm sure you're going to make us dance the entire year. To the first set of awards, which is Excellent Enablers Award. And I would request Mr. Zach to please come on the stage. And this award basically goes to Ajay Kumar P, Ramakrishna Ji, and P. Jalandhar Babu from Noida. She's a service coordinator. And I would request Binu PM to please come on the stage and accept the award on her behalf. The documentation specialist. Can I request him to please come on the stage? Also, Mr. K. Shiva Ganesh from Gurgaon office. He is a senior accounts associate. Can I request Mr. Vikas Sharma to please come on the stage and accept the award on his behalf. Then accept the award on her behalf. Chennai. He's the commercial associate. Can I request Mr. Umachandra to please come on the stage and accept the award on his behalf? Thank you, Umar. From Hyderabad Corporate Office, Accounts Executive. Can I request? Yeah, he's here. Please come on the stage.
I like the way you move into the drum.
Accept the award on his behalf. Rao, Software Hyderabad. He's a senior support engineer. Thank you, Zagu. Being an electronics and computer engineer, he holds a master's degree in electronics from IIT Madras. By profession, gives him a unique and deep insight into the digital photography technology. He has published several critical letters and more than 50 articles in various leading Indian photographic magazines. Some of his writings have also been published in well-known US magazine, Popular Photography. I would request Mr. Ashoki to please come on the stage, and I would request Jyoti to please come and felicitate Mr. Ashok. I would now request Mr. Ashok to kindly share his thoughts.
I actually find it very odd to stand in front of you and being introduced as a photographer. To tell you the truth, I am not a professional photographer. I am very much a information technology man like all of you, and I've been a fairly important, if not the largest customer of Choice Solutions for many years. Because my last official employment was I was Chief of Technology in Infotech Enterprises. The connection between me and photography is just passion. I can only say that. And as I was mentioning to you, a professional is a guy who earns money by doing something. By that definition, I'm an anti-professional photographer because the connection between me, money and photography has been one way. Keep on spending on photography without earning anything in return. So I belong to that category. Okay. So Mr. Mohan Babu came and said, why don't you talk something about photography on your annual day. I was a little hesitant because I was only your customer and I'm really not an employee of your company. But then he threatened me saying that no more discounts for you for any Adobe products you buy from you in future. So that threat worked very well and I had to say yes. So that being that, let's see. What I thought was I'll just tell you what photography is and introduce to you a few different types of photography. And since most of you have cameras or at least a cell phone with a camera, I want to share a few tips with you and some good practices in photography which will enable you to take good pictures. Okay, now you are not going to become an expert photographer after this because you can't expect to become a Sachin Tendulkar after one afternoon playing one afternoon of cricket. So, but definitely it should at least help you to take somewhat better pictures than what you've been doing till now. Okay. So what's photography? Photography is actually a combination of two words, and This particular photo means light in Latin, and graph is drawing. So photography basically means drawing with light. This particular word was coined by a very famous astronomer called Sir William Herschel. He's a British astronomer, and you may not be knowing his name very well, but he is the person who discovered the planet Uranus in sometime in 18th century. Okay, so that's basically the literal definition of photography, is drawing with light. Okay, so there are several types of photography. Normally the name that goes there for that is, they call it genre. So there are different genres of photography. You must have heard of these or seen some of the pictures, but may not have associated them properly. But you can see them on the screen over there. There's nature, then there is landscapes, architecture, macro, photography, portraits, candid.